Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that might hit the lens. The link for the product will be in the description below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So just apply your Slip Solution all around the headlight, and with a clean microfiber towel, just start going all around the lens and making sure we remove any contaminants that the headlight might have. So to start with the installation, we need to make sure we apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the tint film, and just place the film onto the headlight. And we're going to start by aligning this section of the headlight right to this edge here, and then the excess material will be tucked in here and on the other side. So just make sure it's aligned on this edge first. So it should be like that. Once we have the film aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Keep everything aligned still, and then start tacking the whole film down. And we need to make sure we secure this piece first before we move on with installing the rest of the film. So just secure this section first. So make sure this area is secured, and once you have it secured, then we could install these two sections here. So to install these two pieces here, just apply tack solution underneath both sides, and with your squeegee we're just going to help the film tack down underneath. And if the film is having a difficult time tacking down to the edge here, we can also apply heat to help it tack down. And for this section here, it's only covering just a little bit of the edge here. It cannot go all the way inside where the lens is at because of the front grille. So it's only going to cover just a portion of the edge here. Alright, so now that we secured this section here, now we can move on with the rest of the film. So all we're doing now is just making sure everything is still aligned, and we're just going to need to stretch the film just a bit in order to reach this edge here and this section of the film to this edge here. So just lightly stretch the film, make sure everything is aligned, hold it in position, and lift the film carefully and apply tack solution. If it did move, just bring it back, make sure it's still aligned, and just start tacking the whole film. So apply tack solution, with one hand hold it and the other one just tack it down. And just make sure you remove all the solution behind the film before we completely seal it by adding heat. And now all we need to do is just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat anywhere where we see the small fingers coming up on the film. So apply tack solution, and then once we're done removing all the fingers, then we can start post heating the film. So to remove the fingers, apply tack solution, and with your heat gun and then squeegeeing at an angle, you'll be able to remove any small fingers. And you could also wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee just to help absorb any solution that comes from behind the film. And then just clean off the film just to make sure and double check and see if there's any solution behind the film. But if there's not, then we could just move on to post heating the whole entire film. Okay, so now we move on to post heating. So once you finish installing the whole entire tint, the last thing to do is post heating the film. So to post heat, we will just apply tack solution all around the film. And we're going to use our heat gun to heat all around the area of the headlight and making sure we help the adhesive activate faster. And also we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help tack down the film by applying a little bit of pressure and also helping us absorb any solution that's still coming up from the edges. And then once you're done post heating, we're done with the installation. Okay, so that concludes the installation video for the headlight tint for the 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installation videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.